What's going on, everyone? Enzo here, coming at you, team driver for Yokomo. Wanted to do a unboxing video of my newest pickup, which is the Yokomo BD10 touring car chassis. I've been wanting to do on-road for a really long time, probably since around the time I got started. And, finally I ended up pulling the trigger and I got the BD10 kit to do some outdoor asphalt racing and modified outdoors. And when the winter season comes around, I'll switch off doing electric off-road and running some carpet with the BD10. So I wanted to do an unboxing video to show you guys what you get when you purchase your BD10. So let's go ahead and cut the seal, and we'll get back to you guys and show you guys what comes included. Alright, so I went ahead and cut the seal, and let's go ahead and pop it open. So right off the rip, it looks like it's just two main bags. It looks like you see some ball ends for the turnbuckles, some belts in the top deck assembly, some hardware right there, servo mount that looks like right over here, some other goodies. And this bag looks like it's more of the main components. Looks like your bulkheads, your motor mount assembly, your gear diff. See a spur gear there and the spool, a couple other things here and there. Pretty straightforward. And then your chassis. Yokomo sells this car in two versions, with the graphite chassis and the aluminum chassis. I obviously picked it up in the graphite version so I can do some of the outdoor racing here in the summer on the outdoor parking lot tracks and some of the asphalt tracks that we have around here. And then when the winter season comes around, I'll pick up the aluminum chassis that Yokomo sells to run it on the high bike carpet. Your bumper, and then your manual. And then I think there might be some stickers in here. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe. Nope, looks like just a manual and a options list of settings and stuff in pop-up parts, maybe. Could be that. Yeah, it looks like these are all parts that you can get, things that you can get from the BD9 that transfer over to the 10. So that's cool that they give you a parts list. But yeah, that's pretty much your BD10 unboxing. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and make this little video for you guys. Show you guys what I'll be rocking with here in the future. Something I've wanted to do for a very long time. On-road racing looks super fun, really tight racing. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what you get when you unbox your brand new Yokomo BD10. So we'll get busy, start getting it built. And again, thanks for watching, and this was the Yokomo BD10.